Good morning, internet people. I hope everybody's doing good. So I am working on this lovely journal. I've only sewn one signature in right now, but it's coming along really nice. I got 2 more signatures to sew in. I'm going to put this one there and this one there. And that is what it's going to look like. This is my spells book. And I'm going to be doing another one so I could show you guys the technique of how I did this. It's the back of it. So I thought I'd join in on that, on Susan's crafty cluster collaboration, the tiny clusters for today, which is September 22nd, 2021. And I actually need to make some things for this journal. So I've dug into some things. I have some really cute fabric, some vintage lace. I'm going to grab some, this is some lace or fabric that I have. All Halloween. I might have to tear that one. So, because I don't want to iron it. There. Now it's straight. That one. These are not going to be so tiny, but tiny enough. She said that we didn't have to really pay too much attention to that, to make them any way you want. And I'm making them for my journal, to put them throughout the journal. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff here, and I'm going to try to use it. So to make a cluster, I love making these things. You actually need something to put it on. And I am going to, let me see, where did I put that? Oh, here it is. So I am going to go ahead and ink this. I hope I am in the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this piece of, oh crap, I always do that. I always forget. And I don't want to dirty my table, because then I end up dirtying my projects. So excuse my voice. I am getting over being sick, you guys. I had pneumonia, and thankfully my test for COVID came back negative. So, but my doctor seems to think I had it. So I'm still a little congested. She said I'll be coughing for, months to come. Well, I shouldn't say months. 6 to 8 weeks, which is a couple months. But so we need our substrate. So I thought I'd use this one. And a substrate is just whatever you are going to put your project on. Flat surface, right? So I also have this punch, and I'm going to go ahead and punch some little circles, because I think that'll be fun. I might be ripping these a little bit smaller. And where did I put that? There it is. So I think I'm going to use this one. And let's see what else we have. This is from Michael's. I think I got it last year. I really like that tree. How about some bugs? Susan said she didn't like bugs, but we're gonna make bugs. And Susan, if you watch my video, I might send you the bug one. No, I'm just kidding. Gosh, why I want this cut? That's interesting. Oh, maybe because I have 2. Okay. There. And let's see. I don't see anything else I like. I guess we could use that one. So I hope you guys are doing good. Okay. I haven't done videos in a long time, you guys. So I have these cut up. Some might use those. I just cut up some things. And all right. So let's see. Let's see what we have. So I always like to use at least 5 things, 5 elements. I think that's a good color, the good combination. And I don't think you could see that. And then that one's too thick, but that one would work good. So that's kind of what we do. And then I have my little tiny attacher here, and I'm just gonna staple it. And there it is. There's one. Well, there's a nice little something there. So these are my fabric scissors. I have lots of them. So yeah, so that was kind of scary. I got sick really quick. I'm going to use this one, you guys, because it has the witch. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use a little bit of this right here. And I'm going to use, let's see what else we can use. And then I think I'm going to get some black lace. Hold on. I have it in the other room. You guys hear my chanclas. So I'm going to use one of these. I got this lace here, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to use that and that and that. There you go. So, and I'm just going to do that. These are always fun, you guys. These are a good way to use your scraps. I probably should do it over here too. And just kind of dangly. Excuse me. So let's see. I'm gonna probably make a few of those. So let's use this. This is just a cutout I had from a Tim Holtz little thing, paper pad. So let's. I am not the videographer that many of you are. I always get off camera. I don't do this that often, so I'm not accustomed to this stuff. So yeah, this is a fun thing. I saw some videos. I saw Janet Nash, which I love that lady. Maria. What else did I see? So I think I have to link them on the description, which I will. I'll copy and paste that and link them. And you guys go check them out. So these are fun. Fun. Might have to do the other one back here. That one came out cute. All right, so I did 3 nice little clusters, and you guys, yeah, go do some of these and get some of your scraps out and work on them. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you guys later. Be happy, be healthy, and be crafty. Bye.